What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, we're going to smoke some wings. Yep, sure are. So is what we're going to do. We're going to get these things. I'm going to put my little thingamajigger together. Yeah, my thingamajigger, you know, my sauce, what we're going to marinate them in. I'll turn you around and show you what the ingredients I'm going to be using. And we'll get them in. We'll let them marinate for probably 24 hours. You can marinate them for however long you want, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. I prefer to get the most out of my marinade. You know what I mean? So let's turn around here and see what we got going on. So I got my freezer bag and I got some chicken. I got, still got to transfer it into the freezer bag. And then I got to put everything together, which I got me some Zesty Italian Dressing. I got me some Worcestershire Sauce. And I got me some Soy Sauce. And I got me some Frank's Red Hot Wings, baby. So I'm going to get this concoction and get it all mixed up together. And we'll get it and put the wings in the bag. Pour the concoction in the bag. And we'll let these things marinate overnight. So let me get this stuff together and I'll bring you right there. So I got my ingredients in the bowl here. I'm mixing them up, getting them everything mixed together here. So the ingredients are really easy. I mean, basically, you need a bottle of Zesty Italian Dressing. You need a cup soy sauce, or half cup of soy sauce and half cup of Worcestershire sauce. And then your, hot sauce, which kind of hot sauce you like. And you get it in there and you pour it in a mixing bowl here and you mix it all together. So basically is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to get in here and get the rest of the wings in there if they all fit. And then we'll pour this concoction in the bag, seal it, put it in the refrigerator. Or you can put it in a cooler or whatever, however you want to keep it cool. It's up to you. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. And once I get all that in there, and then that way I'll get all of it out and make it purty. Make them look purty. And then after I get ready to smoke them, then I'll put my regular seasoning and stuff on it. So, all right, let me get this transferred to the bag and I'll bring you back. So I got them in the freezer bag here. And look at them. Look at that, huh? Look at that, huh? So we'll let these things marinate overnight. Buy your bag. So we'll get this in there. I got a bunch of airs I can get out of there. See, it kind of sucks together up the top there. And so we'll leave them in this bowl right here so don't leak all over the refrigerator. And we'll get these things and get them smoked tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to smoke them. I'll lay the wings onto this right here. It's got the hole. That's pretty good. I use that for the smoker a lot. It helps with like chicken or whatever you want to smoke, wings or whatnot. But we'll get these in the refrigerator and let them soak overnight. And then I'll bring you back when I do my seasoning on them. And we'll get these babies cooked. And I'm going to tell you, they should be delicious. Yeah, but. All right, so I've let these wings marinate overnight. And I'm telling you, man, they're marinated. So I'm getting ready to take them out of the bag here and pour them in there, let them get to room temperature so I can start the smoker and everything up. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put our seasoning and everything on them. And then we'll get them in the smoker. So let's turn this around. As you can see, man, these things, they're definitely marinated. They've been in there all night, baby. Yeah, man. So we're going to get them. I'm going to pour them in the mixing bowl here. And then we'll get them set out so that way we can bring them room temperature. And then we'll get the fire going in the smoker. Yeah, buddy. So let me bring it back. They are nice and marinated. Actually smells pretty good too. Yeah, buddy. These are going to be delicious. All right, so I'm going to go out here. Let these get to room temperature. Go out here and get the smoker fired up. Get a nice good smoke going. And then I'll transfer these onto that. And then we'll get them out there and, oh, yeah. Oh, man, I'm telling you what. Alrighty then, so we're going to transfer these onto here right now. Make sure they're all good and yummy. Oh yeah, so we'll get these all transferred on here. Get these together on there. Put them on there. So after I get these all put on there and everything like that, we will take and season them, flip them, season the other side. And I got the smoker out there going right now, so we'll see what we can get going. And yeah, buddy, so I will bring you back. So this is always my go-to seasoning, and I'll tell you why. It has all the seasonings in it, man. It's got garlic, pepper, salt. I mean, it's got some red peppers in it. I mean, this stuff right here, it's my go-to. This is what I use for everything, you know. But rule number one, you can't use a lot of it, because if you do, the taste gets a little overpowering, so you got to be gentle with it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get this on there. We're going to flip the wings, and then I'll get it on the other side, and we'll get it ready for the smoker. Alrighty, my YouTube friends. Yes, we have them on the smoker. Smoker's coming up to heat. They're pretty much room temperature, so it's going to be a couple hours. And you can see the coals down there, and we're getting in there. And we have a nice, real thin smoke right now. So let's close these down. Let these things get up. Yeah, buddy. And we got the beagles. Say hi, beagles. Beagles. Say hi, beagle. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny Pen. See that? I love my dogs. There's Mr. Hook. Rusty. There's Penny. Penny. Say hi, Penny. And then we have Daisy. Lazy Daisy. Yeah. So beagles are out here enjoying this nice spring day. Yeah, buddy. All right, we got the smoker going. Got some good smoke going. Oh yeah, I'm a happy camper. These are gonna be some delicious, delicious wings. Yeah. All right. So they've been in there for probably about an hour, and I've got a really, really, really good heat. You know, nice thin smoke. Perfect, perfect. Let's open this up a little bit and see. Oh yeah, what do you guys think about that, huh? Nice, nice. So we'll let those cook a little longer, then we'll flip them. Oh yeah, they got a nice. Oh man, they're nice. And man, do they smell good. Let me hear him shut that down. Yeah, they drop down quick. You know. Yeah, so we're getting somewhere. So, all right, I'll bring you back here in a little bit. So far, they're looking wonderful. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, I am smoking this with 100% hickory, baby. Yeah, we're not mixing it or nothing like this. This is straight up hickory. And it smells delicious. I just got done flipping them over, you know, so that way we can get this side right here look just as crispy, you know what I mean? Yeah, buddies, we're getting it. We're getting it. All right, here's the plated up version of the smoked wings, homemade pierogies, and some French fries. Yeah, buddy. So I don't know, man. Let's take a little bite of these real quick. Lord have mercy. Hang on 1 minute. So I had to say, man, these things are really, really, really good. Look at that. Huh? Got a nice smoke to them. Wow. The skin, everything on these things. I know I shouldn't talk with my mouth full, but I'm sorry, I can't help it. Yeah, buddy. So we'll get my wife's reaction here in just a minute. Mm-hmm. I got the wife in there. Look at her. She's gonna.
It was really good. It's got good smoke flavor.
I didn't put too much seasoning on it, did I?
No, they're just right.
All right. See that, guys? The wife is even liking them. And she didn't even dip them in anything, and she's a dipper. All right, here's the baby girl, the youngest daughter, and she got herself a wing. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, buddy.
It smells really good. That was really good.
Kind of surprised. Don't even have to dip them, do you? Yeah, you got to dip
That reminds
every.
me of the I think we have turkey like this. Oh, this is really good.
I put my heart and soul in those. All right. Well, you guys heard it from her, and I didn't pay her either. I have to say, they turned out fabulous. They were really good, guys. Hey, I appreciate you sticking with me and watching. You guys are awesome. I don't care what anybody says. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Thanks again for watching.